Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw a luggage cart step by step. Grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the base. Grab your ruler and draw a flat rectangle near the bottom of your paper. Step 2. Adding the wheels. Draw 2 wheels under our base, one on each side. Start with circles, then attach them with rectangles. Step 3. Building the side stand. Draw a top structure, layer on those bars by drawing 8 curved lines connected to the base. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Crafting the push stand. Draw a vertical tube on the left side, then add handles. Step 5. Drawing the hoop at the top. Draw a circle on top and make it as smooth as butter. Adding details. Let your imagination run wild. Add suitcases, handbags, maybe even a fluffy travel pillow. And don't forget to add some color to really make it pop. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a luggage cart. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. Let us know if you have any suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!